You're not going to believe this, but I'm at the Yamaha stand. Can you see? There's no T7s, no T7s at all. I've just asked the lady there and she said no T7s are going to be on display this weekend. So there's a new NMAX 155 connected. A few new upgrades. Here's the Xerox. That's the new colour Xerox. There we have the new X-Max. Just going to whiz this round, show you this, people. Similar back half to the other one. Is it MT-09s? Tracer 9 GT.
อันนี้คือไฮดรอลิกกิโลคือเราสามารถผ่อนการแข่งขันกับสปริงได้ด้วยที่มือตัวนี้ครับไฟฟ้าเนี่ยเป็นช่างในการที่จัด
Some bike. Here we have spoke a choice yet again with your Royal Enfield. Look at this. How nice are them? Royal Enfield out here is massive. Look at this. No wonder. You can see with the Royal Enfield what they're doing. I mean, all the clothing wear that they've got. Hello, Cap. Just demonstrates what type of where they're going, which way they're going with it. Very retro. Let's go and have a look at Kawasaki. There's the Versys. Very nice. This is the Versys X. That, believe it or not, is a 300. Now we have the most famous KLR. The adapted ABS, the 650, there we go. These kits that come with them, especially with these little pannier boxes and so on, are just awesome. The bigger brother to the 300, eh? Very nice. Here we have the 650, but in a different colour. This is the desert colour by the looks of it. What an awesome looking bike that is. That's a beautiful looking thing, that is. And this also comes with the pannies if you want it. There's the Versys again. Famous Kawasaki green. 650. That's the ZX6R. Lethal. Absolutely lethal. Well, this guy here next to me is cleaning the big brother ZX10R. Let me show you this. Hello, Cap. Wow, look at that. That is just pure racing. It's absolutely gorgeous. But look at the size of this. Actually don't know which way to look here because I've got the KLX, I've got the 230, 650, you name it, they're over there. Right, let's find Honda. Yep, and here we found the Honda store. Where do you start here? CBR. What a bike that is, man. 650, look at the size of it, it looks huge. There's a CBR. What's that? Is that the Fireblade? Yeah, that's the Fireblade. Unbelievable bike. Absolutely unbelievable bike. Superb TFT. Was this background? The new ADV 350. Yep, 350. That is nice. We have another 350, but in better colours, I think. More put together. What a gorgeous colour that is. Not forgetting the new Forza. Yeah, I think these have already hit the shops, half of these, but they've all got the carbon pieces to them now. Yeah, but another very popular bike here in Thailand. For obvious reasons, they're absolutely bulletproof. I can swear by them. That ADV there, that one, is just amazing. Here we have the 450 RL. Cylinders. Shock lets it down again. Look at this thing. Oh my God, this is the newest Goldwing out. I don't usually swear, but fuck me, man, this is nice. That is incredible. That is just incredible. Right, I'm drooling. So let's see what else is available. What's this thing here? Let me have a look at these bikes in there, these little ones. These tiny little bikes, look at them. Serious, this is the size of these little monkey bikes. No good for us. This is though. There's a lot of people now tackling Thailand on these little things, these CT125s. And they're incredible. The tough as all boots. Bark busters on them. Great colour scheme. Crash bars. Little panniers. What a bike. What a... See this thing, you will never grow old of this. It's got everything for the adventurer. They've thought of everything from the rear pannier rack. Yeah, the engine guards, the back busters. Back busters. Back busters on a 125. Brilliant. Headlight guard, you name it. And it'll be as cheap as chips, this thing. Hang on, there's a few more versions over here. There's the red version. Much prefer the green one though. I always wanted to see how this enhanced smart power goes. And that is it. That's how it actually works. Very straightforward, but to the point. That little clutch. What have we got here? New DACs. These are ideal for the little Thai people. ST125. Tiny. People are going to love this. Right, let's have a little mooch on the back over here. The prestigious Harley Davison store. Breakout. There's the fat boy. There's the breakout. Look at this thing here, the Street Glide. It's a Street Glide special. I have to show you this here. Obviously one of the big rigs giving a spiel up there. Before I do that, I'm just going to have to show you this. Fully equipped 1250. And with this beast here, 1250 Pan America. Yeah, first indulgence into the off-road game, and it's pretty successful. How about this for a vintage one there? Look at that. Original lowrider ST, I think. Yep, it is. That is an original. If you want an absolute flying machine, you can just whiz around the roads. It's one of these things here. There's a green version there. Little Sportster. These are just like lightning, and because they're low to the floor, the gravity just keeps you pinned to the road. I had to go at one of these not so long ago. Yeah, what a stand this is. Harley Davison. Wouldn't go anywhere without showing you the multi-charger V4S. What's an absolute classic machine that is. That'll pull you up some hills, won't it? Back spring on that. Unbelievable. That little exhaust. Like a Powick exhaust. Old Bremos. Get away from the scramblers, have a look at this beast here. El Pangali, man, what a machine. Big All-Ins rear spring on it. not many bikes that are finished off like that, is there? You just know you're on the V4s when you look at that. Oh man. This is incredible. That has got to be the best bike in here. It's got to be. A world of motorcycles wouldn't be a world of motorcycles without these absolute beautiful things, man. Look at that BMW 1800. It's an R18. Wow. Look at the width of that. Simply amazing, that. Simply amazing. Same with this. These big 1800 engines. There's a bit of a Harley moment going on here, do you? On these R18s. Full of chrome. 1.5 million people, 1.5 million. Anybody who's got a few quid out here tend to buy the BMW scooters because obviously they are reliable, and this is the newest one out. This is a C400 GT. So this is a bit like the ADV that you get off Honda. Nice bit of suspension. Great looking machine, and that'll take you all over Thailand if you wanted it though. Yeah, to me nice. It's just save the best to last when you get the old the VMs. Of course there's no better one than the 1250, and we all know about the 1250, don't we? The old GS is some vehicle from start to finish, all the way through. This lovely little TFT screen. Yeah. Garmin or Navman, whatever it is, that's on there. Not much changed on the GS's. I've got to mention this, like, he's the Hayabusa, but people are very busy around this stand because this is the unveiling of the new one. Not familiar with the Hayabusa, but what a bike. Look at the dial. How about this for the new V-Storm? That's a 1050 V-Storm. It's huge. Massive tank. But what extraordinary looking bike that is. Definitely in the big leagues with the others. The GS's and so on. An 1100 Africa Twin. So here we have little brother. This is the 650 V-Storm. Look at the size comparisons between that and that. That is huge. Let's go look at some of these scooters. One of the most popular scooters here in Thailand is this thing here, the Bergman. Now these range from anything from 350, I think they even do 650s now. But all the modern colours, if you have a look. They've all got that slate grey look about them. Something here, people. Have a look at this. That is a drone submerged in water, and yes, it will actually work. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, right. What? Yeah. What camera? What camera?
Sony 4K.
4K camera, yeah? Yeah, 4K camera. Oh, yeah, very new. I hope you're still well, I really do. I like the fact that you can go fishing with it as well. Yeah.
Basically, we can attach a bait here with a
Right.
with a fishing string.
And that's got like a quick release.
Yeah, and you can order the drone to release
Right.
this one here.
Yep.
Just release the bait.
What a
Also release your the tension release here. It's a for the buoyancy.
Yeah, buoyancy, right? Yep.
Yeah.
And that clips onto.
Yep.
Wow.
Here.
So a bit of search and rescue. Yeah.
For
The search and rescue.
Pretty good for the lifeguard.
Right. What a great idea.
And then
That drops down to
I have the tree inside. I haven't put it back in.
right.
Yeah.
What type of cost are these?
Sorry?
What type of cost?
The type?
Price, yeah.
Oh, the price. We don't have the price for this one yet, but
Right.
the big one there,
Yep.
the flagship one, kind of similar to this one. That's going to be 78,500 baht.
That's
Without the camera.
that's yeah, without the camera, yeah.
Similar
That's
price to
that's
DJI.
yeah, similar price to DJI, yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
But waterproof and
Yeah.
windproof.
Yeah, compared to the Mavic 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a comparison model.
Yeah, right. Oh, excellent. Thank you very much. It's one of the little perks of being out here is you can always depend on good food. Yep. And you won't put an ounce of fat on. I hope.